Hi, welcome back to the channel, and I've just set up a drop rig to start recording a bird survey in an old oak forest where I live. Now, I'm going to do this throughout the year, at least one recording a month. And at the end of the year we can get a good idea of the changes in the bird life in this forest, how they change with the seasons, what types of birds are here. This woods is about a mile long and about half a mile wide. It's part of the Paddon Park in Snowdonia in Wales, and there's human habitation all around, so we're going to get human noises as well as the birds and other kinds of sounds. I'll show you the setup now. I've set up Clippies on a branch. Let's go into a zoom F3 with a power bank. So the time now is about 3:30. Official dusk is about an hour and 10 minutes away. So hopefully we'll get a clear recording an hour before and an hour after dusk. It'll record all night, and then I can take an hour before and an hour after dawn. And apparently that's the way to do a bird survey. So that's what I'm going to run with at least once a month. So I'm going to hide and camouflage this stuff now. It's recording at the moment, and then come back in the morning. So I will see you then, and hopefully the recorder will still be here. Hi, it's the next day and I'm out trying to find the rig, and to make it easier I've left myself some markers. So here's this one, the tree over the path. So I know just a little bit further on the left I've left 4 small branches on the ground, which are here. And now I know how to find my drop rig. I camouflaged the drop rig a little bit better than what I thought. It's taken me a little while to find them, and now I can see them down over there. Right, here we go. It's all still intact. Now let's see if it's still switched on. Well, that's a good sign. The power bank is still switched on, and we've used up 30% of the power. There we are. Recorder's still going. Excellent. So I'll switch that off, pack it up. I'll leave a few snippets after this, and for the main file, the hour before and the hour after dawn and dusk, I'll create a playlist which I can use as an archive, and anybody else can use it if they want to. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.